Andre!
have a very sharp ear.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
So when these guys ask me,
Happy birthday, bro.
thank you.
How are you?
All good.
How do you feel on your birthday today?
So much of the technicality. They want me to work with you guys, and they said, "We've seen you, and you have what is called as a pair of golden ears.
Oh, wow.
So I can distinguish, good sound from bad sound without a meter or anything. I can tell you exactly what it is. My ears are trained like that, from beginning. And I also used to play the violin and things like that. So I've done Trinity College exams and things like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so
How is the magnet? You like it? It's good?
Love it.
Wow, thank you.
whether it was balanced or not. And accordingly, I would tell my engineers what to do, And almost 80% of the time, or should I say 90% of the time, I was right. So when my engineers used to go and tune up a theater, because you have to tune the sound.
Creative.
Wow, thank you.
You describe it in one word.
Okay, we'll give you some more time. We'll give you some more time.
No, I'm done.
That's
It's
it?
like absolutely creative. It's like any artist, anybody who's needs some creative breakthroughs, best place to be.
Wow, thank you. So what do you do, Joel?
I definitely don't paint. But you've got lovely paintings across. It's like a monopoly board. They did not pay me to say this. I collect my check later. Okay? So bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so that's a long time,
a long time.
Yeah.
Are you seriously taking the video right now? Aren't they supposed to be part of it? Wait.
Kilo in one word, what would it be? Starting
word
with
did you
you,
write?
Lynn.
Chill.
Get the hippie vibe, bro. You get the hippie vibe.
Alright, superb. Thank you.
We used to manufacture amplifiers and loudspeakers by the name of Pulse.
Pulse.
P-U-L-Z.
Okay.
If you go to any studio, you'll always find Pulse amplifiers and all that. If you go to any theater, all the sound in theater is being done by us. Most of the theaters, the multiplexes, we have done everything there.
Wow, that's super quite.
Yeah, so so this was my last job that I did. Before that, I was in corporate world. And then I decided, these guys asked me, and this traveling into town used to kill me, man, every day. And I thought, 4 hours going up and down, for what? Just for money? Forget it. I have a life. And my wife used to tell me, why do you come back? You shouldn't come home. You should stay in the office only. You just come to change your clothes and out.
How's the vibe here? You like the vibe around here? How is it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's chilled out. It's nice. It's not intimidating. So, and basically, it's got a little hippie vibe which I like.
Oh wow, thank you.
Yeah, sorry. It's simple, nice. It's jazz, actually. And when my friends come, they will like it also because I know what they like. So they're the whole time been asking me send us pictures and small clips of everything. So they like this kind of thing. That is what the whole blues and jazz is. What stems everything, and you can never get bored of it because you must always remember jazzmen can never play the same song the same way twice.
Yeah.
It's always improvisation because it's a feeling which is coming out. It's an emote of emotions, what you feel at that time.
Yeah.
You take a song like My Sweet Lord and you want to play it a jazz man will never play it the same way.
We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can run by. We don't need anything or anyone. And if I lay here, and if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the worst into life? Thank Thank you. This one's for Andre.
He had two sons. Both of them become. No. He's in Pune. He's from Pune. And but when he would play, and play the run, he'd play like that. He'd play that one-off chord, which used to excite me.
Yeah.
So I used to stand behind the curtain, and watch these guys because I was a kid. I used to watch, what these guys doing,
Yeah.
And my mother used to come and hit me on the head, and she used to tell me, "Don't listen to that. That's the devil's music."
Yeah.
Because she wanted me to read that music and play just like what I read. She didn't like that one off note or anything, but that was jazz to me, and it excited me.
Congratulations on winning karaoke champion.
Hi, this is a great place to hang out, chill out. You can do whatever you want here. You have great people, especially my buddy here, Watson.
Oh, thank you.
He's a terrible guy, but he's also very understanding and nice. And if you're a roller, he's a roller.
Gave us a great
And he's
time.
given us a good time. Peace, bro.
Peace. How about you?
Ditto.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Watson. We had a lovely time. We really
Can I
had
get a
a
high five?
Amplifiers, we built speakers,
Super.
we built studios, we built everything,
Wow, super. Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Hey, Andre, I hope you had a good time.
Definitely did.
Yeah?
Thanks a lot.
Wow, it's a pleasure. So when do we see you next?
Soon, hopefully.
Oh,
Hopefully
so have a
we'll
safe ride, yeah?
For sure. Thank you.
Take care. And a happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
What?
You?
Have I gone? Yeah. In Bombay many years ago, we brought some musicians from the US, some jazz musicians from the US.
Bye-bye.